What's going on, Rankin family? Welcome back to another beautiful property tour. Today, we are looking at Paul Schumacher, the model home. This is called the Hookah Falls model, and they actually have a couple of them in a row. We might tour a couple of those, but I really wanted to get you into this one because, as you can tell, this is something you don't see every single day. Now, a quick backstory, Hookah Falls is actually a popular attraction in New Zealand, and this owner actually got inspired when he went out there and really brought this to life, which I really love. I mean, you can even just see from the exterior, of course, you have the wood paneling, composition roof, you have the two-car garage right over here to the right, beautiful LED lanterns as well. Really love that. And then more importantly, can you imagine just kind of having a home like this? It would really stand out, whether you build on your lot or anything like that. But look at this, you're going into your covered front porch, really nice, really contemporary, but still that minimalist feel that a lot of folks really love. Of course, you have the front door with the glass panes, but I really want to get you in so you can see the great room. Okay, so here we go. Let's check this out. So immediately whenever you walk in, you notice you have your sliders in your foyer area going to, of course, the back area. You have the balcony. You got some, some rocks right there hanging out. But more importantly, they have it set up as, a nice little retreat that you have. And then immediately to the left, this is exactly what we're working with. Look at the beautiful cathedral ceilings. You have that trapezoid like A-frame kind of deal, oversized windows bringing in the natural light that you really love. And then if you can imagine just the view from the backyard as well, I mean, we'll certainly get to that, but look at that. Love the fact that, look at the windows inside of the ceiling, love the skylight. And then look at this, it actually continues all the way back here. So even inside of the kitchen, you do have the cathedral ceilings that extends. Okay, so the first thing you are noticing, you have the tall baseboards, the sliders again. So you have the sliders not only when you walk into the foyer, but over here towards the great room as well. Nice large picture windows. Look at this. Extremely spacious, folks. That's awesome about this. You have the family in here hanging out and everyone's in one room. As you can see, as far as the flooring is concerned, you have the luxury vinyl plank. You have the kitchen, dining room, a great room combination as well. So everybody is in one place. And just even going through some of the other homes as well, I love the fact that some of them have more square footage, different layouts. So you definitely get a variety from Schumacher based on what we've seen. This is the first time we've seen this on this channel or this particular builder. So I'm excited to see what all they have to offer. Okay, so going into our kitchen, we have the quartz countertops, waterfall, as well as you have the sink inside of the island, plenty of storage space that you have. Look at this. See how much storage they have. And then, as you all know, the model homes, they're dressed to the nine. I tell you, they make you want to buy a home right then and there. I mean, the worst thing is whenever you just bought a home and then you're still looking at these tours, you know what I mean? When we're in the market for a car, that's one thing, you do so much research, you watch all these beautiful cars, and then you buy one. The last thing you need to do is look at some more car videos, because then you're going to see what else you're missing, the latest and greatest gadgets and stuff. But anyways, I love the fact we have the soft closing drawers, plenty of storage cabinet space. Look at that. Extremely deep in there as well. And then look at that stainless steel appliances. You have the fridge area, you have the built-in cooktop over here, the backsplash matching, as far as the quartz countertop. So really love that tranquil, or that minimalist feel, right? Really modern. I know some of my viewers, they love that modern like feel. Some more, maybe more of that traditional feel, but that's the beauty of being in these model homes. Maybe you can take a little bit from here and a little bit from there. Okay, so now this is a nice little study area right here to the front of the property. Of course, you have your built-in quartz countertops. You have the floating shelves hanging up, and then look at that. As you can see, the extension as far as the cathedral ceilings, really nice area over there. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you like the positioning of that? Simply because, it's right off center to the kitchen. And then, so it looks like this is going to be our pantry storage area. Look, oh, look at that. You know, sometimes I miss that, but man, now this is the first time I'm seeing this together, guys. So that was a natural reaction right there. Really love that hidden feature. Really nice. Really just kind of where it just is, you know, it's super subtle. It's kind of like a hidden pantry, but I love that. Look at this. That way you don't have to rewind the video. But look at this. I'm glad we went back. I didn't want you to miss that. So awesome. Okay. So as you can see, whenever you enter, to the left is more of the common areas that you get, and we'll certainly get to the backyard patio so you can see that. Open the sliders up, but I really want you to see the bedrooms because that's, you know, a lot of what we're here for. Okay, so now we have the powder bath, of course, right here. You have your nice door, maybe a pocket door or a sliding, you know, sliding barn door or something like that. The LVP extends inside of our powder bath, extremely spacious. You have the floating counters as well as the accent wall. And then right over here, got a nice little storage closet. And then, so I'd love to hear your thoughts as far as, do you like the luxury vinyl plank? Do you prefer just maybe that ceramic tile? Do you prefer engineered wood, hardwood flooring? Love to hear your thoughts. Okay, look at this, folks. Absolutely stunning. This is something that you can imagine if you were like in, you know, Colorado, Montana, Idaho, or something like that, and you're in an Airbnb, this would be your view. But if you can imagine having a view like this every single day, love that. Now, of course, like I said, this is a model home, so they're off of, you know, a highway. Sometimes they do the model home for visibility. They put it in that location, but if you can imagine having that view on your own personal lot. Look at that. Now that's a beauty, folks. Love the nice extension as far as our accent wall. Almost kind of looks like a headboard, if you like to say. You have your lamps right over, or your lighting fixtures right over your nightstands as well. Look how much room you have. The picture windows really brings out that natural light that a lot of folks love. That A-frame again in the cathedral ceilings. Whew, what more could you really ask for? Look at that. And then as you can see, you know, obviously over here you have those hills and things like that, but I'll do a full pan so you can see the full scope of the bedroom. Love that, folks. So as you can see, the vinyl plank extends in here as well. Over here to the left, you can see, look at that. But okay, so right over here, of course, we have our walk-in closet. Let me get the light on for you folks. Okay, so a decent sized walk-in closet. For the square footage you get in here, this is certainly expected. As you can see, the tall baseboards extends over here. Look at that. So really nice layout, particularly positioned well. And then, of course, our ensuite. So you got your nice picture window right over here, freestanding, deep tub. You got your wand over there as well. And look at this. And I love the fact that you can open up these windows right here, get that natural breeze that, you know, the temperature, the weather is changing right now. So it feels extremely good right now. I'm a natural sweater, so I can definitely appreciate the weather change. So floating countertops again, quartz. You got the dual sinks, the his and her sinks, and then of course the 2 mirrors as well. And look at that. Decent sized walk-in shower right here. You got the herringbone style tile flooring as well. And then I know some folks, we talked about that, you know, can appreciate no, you know, no subway tiles. So we'll see in the other bedrooms certainly though. But as you can see right over there to the left, that's your water closet, but really decent amount of space. But gosh, I just can't get over this. Love that. Gorgeous view. And then look how peaceful it looks out there too. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll make sure we get you out there as soon as possible. Okay, so continuing down, let's go down the hallway. So all the bedrooms are going to be on this side as well as the garage. So you'll notice that right over here, you have a shared full bathroom. You got the floating countertops again in here, shower tub combo, you know, decent shower surround over there. Nothing crazy, but now this is going to be our next bedroom. So one of the secondary bedrooms that we have. As you can see, that's a queen bed. You got a decent amount of space on both ends for, you know, two decent sized nightstands as well. And then you let me know if you would prefer the carpet in here, how they have it, or would you continue the vinyl plank in here? Personally, I mean, now we're seeing that a lot where you just go ahead and exclude carpet from any home. It's certainly becoming extremely common now, but I know there are some of my folks that are certainly carpet lovers. So definitely not hating on you whatsoever. Decent sized closet. You can see you got the French doors as well. But yeah, it's a decent amount of space. I mean, especially how we talk about from the square footage. I just really wanted you to get in here simply for the variety, right? A lot of times when we're seeing these other builders, it's nice to take a little bit from this one or see the different styles that you're seeing in these more modern like model homes. Okay, so our next bedroom. So as you can see, plenty of space, extremely roomy in here. And of course, our nice sized closet over here. So if you can imagine, maybe possibly opening that up a little bit more, having the having one large sliding door right there, as far as like a sliding barn door, that'd be pretty nice. But really nice little accent wall. Looks almost like tile, but I love the little lamps right above your bed. So perfect reading light. And then of course, this would be your motorroom, right? So whenever you're entering in from your garage, as you can see that that side garage, the 2-car garage, that's where you would end up entering from, right over here. So pretty nice. And then as soon as you walk in, this would be where your utility room would be. So you have your full utility room, picture window, plenty of space. You possibly would want to add maybe some, you know, some additional storage cabinets on top. I would certainly do so. But the tall baseboards extends. You got tile in here, and then of course a little storage closet area right here. So not bad. I certainly, I mean, this is my first, you know, time being in the Schumacher Homes. I said, hey, listen, we're kind of heading this way, so might as well stop to see what they have to offer. That way you can take a look at that. But yeah, certainly nice. And then of course, let's go to our back area right here, and then we'll finish off at the covered balcony over there. All right. So look at this. Hanging out on the rocks right here, having the family. Uncover that right there, have that nice little fire. You got the glass panes as far as where your railing is concerned. Really nice. I mean, the good thing is I love this open space because you have this section if you wanted to have more of that sun feel, you know, you really just want to hang out. But then also you can go over there to the covered area, which we'll certainly go right now if you wanted to utilize that. Okay. So last but not least, let's see this backyard patio area right here, the balcony, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So first thing you notice, folks, is the cathedral ceilings extend. So all the way from where that study was from the front of the house, going past the kitchen, the dining room, the great room, and extending all the way over here. So nice subtle detail. Like I said, that New Zealand like feel. If you've ever been to New Zealand, you know exactly what it's like. And if you've ever seen some homes on YouTube from New Zealand, then maybe this could kind of shed some light on what they did here. Okay. And then look at that gorgeous view that you would have. Of course, just think about this being in on, you know, a lot that you build, or you bought maybe an acre, 2 acres, 10 acres. Some folks want the 20+ acres, you know. So if that's the case, you build something like this on there, or something a little bit bigger but has that nice little feel, that New Zealand feel, then you'd be good. But other than that, folks, that was the beautiful Paul Schumacher Homes. All right, folks, that was the beautiful Schumacher Homes right here in South Carolina. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about this particular model. Is this something you could see yourself living in? Would you make any modifications? Would you take it as is? Let me know in the comments. Of course, if you want more information about any home we showcase on the channel, reach out to the information below. Consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.